Hey guys, this profile pop-up is for Victoria. You've got a pleasant picture there. You might want to get rid of the background and have it zoomed in a little bit higher, but otherwise it's a good, very good picture, very smiling, looking straight at us, good attire. I can send you a link for cleaning up that background if you'd like. Let me know in the comments. You could take advantage of this background picture, but that's only once people get to your profile. To that point, a recruiter and other people on the platform, this may be all they see. See how we get 2 words of your headline? You get your picture and you get your name. You've got to make sure those count. So in this case, great job letting us know right away with a couple key words there. You're a program coordinator. But then what I would suggest is Switzerland Program African Leadership. When I see the @ symbol, I know what's coming. It means that it's the default. That you went with the default that was there. Now it got changed till here a little bit later, but you went with the default there, and you're missing out on 120 characters total. You could be putting a lot more in there as to why, if we get to this point, why we should care and continue and click or tap on your profile and keep on going. So what does a recruiter see? They're seeing those first few things. If you come up in the search because of great content, they're seeing maybe just that much. Then they come in here and they take a quick glance, and you see on the phone, I just saw a stat that says over 70% of people are on mobile. This now is all they may see. Is that about section right there enough to make us want to click? Same thing here, all we get is titles. Now, back to the about section real quick. It's good, I liked how you had that opening. A lot of people have big ideas, but execution is what really matters, and I do it, I like that. Let me go back in and show you guys what that looked like. When I looked at it and I paused for a second, and I do the execution. That was kind of cool. Now what would help is a little bit of a bold caps or something like that. Not really bold, it's harder to do. You can do it, but it doesn't appear on every platform. But maybe a caps, something, or an exclamation mark, or a symbol. Something like that would really make this jump out, okay? And then the biggest other point I want to make, in your experience section, you are missing out. You have old positions, you have descriptions of what your content. That is searchable, and that is really good content. A recruiter coming in here, they see nothing here in the current position, in the last position, and they're going to start wondering what you really do, and they're going to have questions about it. And finally, what I would offer is, you've got the good skills, that's great, but turn off the competition. Let me know if you want to know how to do that. I'm trying to keep this to 2 minutes. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.